Oh, we drove all through the night to get here, and what time we pull up? Like 3 o'clock?
Yeah, about 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. I was not having a day stuck here. Beautiful island, but we need to go explore these reefs. Whew. That was a bit of a worry. Yes, we got it in. Woo! That's the enough playing on our drones for this morning. We're gonna go get into it. We don't really have a plan. Like I said, we haven't been here, so we've got some rods, we've got the spear gear. Yeah, we're just gonna go and see what happens. Had a go at that other reef, wasn't too fishy. Bill got a few, nice trout, maybe a stripey, and a yellow lip emperor. Yeah, that was cool. And we've just come a bit close to the coast. Looks a bit bluer up there, but we've just found some gnarly bommies. We're going to check for crays. So yeah, a bit close to the coast. Try here. Explore new reefs, keep trying and keep trying. Like I just said, wasn't fishy at that one, so we come to this one after being in the water for about 30 seconds. Oh my, this is the biggest jack I've ever seen. She's a beast. Oh. And I've been in the water 30 seconds and I've seen bigger than this in there. Basically, this guy's gone in the esky. Billy's still up there. Gonna move the boat up a bit, and oh my god, that just makes the whole mission worth it. That is a cracker! Woo-hoo! So Billy and I hit this new island. We got here at like 3 o'clock this morning. Rolled out the swags, had a quick sleep. We've gone for a spear, and we've come up with the goods. I got this nice jack that I'm pretty happy with. Go stonking trout. That's some real quality fish, eh? Got a real nice tusk here. Show this one here. Oh, hit the sand off him. We're ready for often. So yeah, have a go at the jack. Bloody awesome, eh? We've got a few more fish in the esky, but packing up.
Yeah, we'll go to Swags and let's hit the coast and check those headlands and see what's going on.
Let's go and check the coast out. This is unbelievable scenes here. Billy and I punched along the coast. We jumped in on that spot before. It was a bit there you going, but we keep punching along. Like, we just found these sickest rainforests, like unpenetratable. Like there's no way anyone can get here any other way. It's just like this is gnarly. It's gnarly. There's reef all along the coast. It's crazy. I'll bang the drone up and just have a look. We've just pulled the boat out of the water. We're coming back up this billy goat track and Billy's gone, croc, croc. Oh, you can't see him from up here. I highly doubt you can see him. He's way down there. Billy's got his drone on it. Look at this, look at this. Let's put him on the drone. Holy. Oh my God. Actually, last night, after this drone footage, last night we were heading out the river and there was a big croc sitting up on a bank with a massive turtle head in its mouth, just sitting there. We were just waiting there and we went past him and he boosted into the water, so we went up and grabbed that turtle head and had a look. After this croc footage, I'll roll on that.
Absolutely wild scenes here. So we're just coming up the river. I look up in the scrub and a croc has got this turtle, like it is a massive turtle. It's got its head in its mouth, sitting up here. It's spotted the boat and scooted. Probably a 3 metre croc. Josh is just at the back here. Probably a 3 metre croc. Like, look at the size of this turtle head. It is... You right? Like, look at the size of this turtle head. It's obviously smoked. That croc's obviously smoked this turtle. Fire out, that is insane. Another episode done. We are super pumped. We're coming together pretty good. So yeah, we're gonna kind of try and keep them rolling out every sort of week or so. And we just want to take the opportunity to say thanks. You're giving us so much support over the last sort of few weeks. Our subs are growing, the likes and shares and everything, and we really appreciate it. And we're going to keep going to beautiful places like this. Like, check out, this is pretty much our backyard. We're so lucky, and we're going to keep bringing you guys epic content every single week. So stay tuned. You could be my renegade.